Hustle your way to funding, no more excuses. You got a dream, a business idea that'll change the game, awesome. But guess what? Ideas are worthless without execution, and execution takes fuel. That fuel, my friends, is funding. No more whining about not having rich parents or connections. It's 2025, the world is your oyster and opportunities are everywhere. Time to hustle. First things first, get crystal clear on your vision. What problem are you solving? Why will people care? Write it down, refine it, and make it sing. Investors don't fund dreams, they fund solutions. Next up, build something tangible, a minimum viable product, a prototype, a killer presentation. Show them you're not just talk. Action speaks louder than words, always. Got your pitch and your product? Time to find the cash. But remember, securing funding is a marathon, not a sprint. Be prepared to hear no a lot. Don't let it get you down. Each rejection is a step closer to a yes. Learn from every pitch, iterate, and come back stronger. Trust me, the right investor is out there. Go find them. Tap every door, from angels to VCs. Find your funding match. So you're hungry for funding? Good. But where do you start? First off, forget the one-size-fits-all approach. Funding is not a drive-through. It's a 5-star restaurant with a menu for every taste. Got a social impact project? Look into grants and impact investors. Early-stage startup with disruptive tech? Angel investors might be your jam. Ready to scale big? VCs are your best bet. Do your homework. Understand their investment thesis, their portfolio companies, their sweet spot. Tailor your pitch. Highlight what matters to them. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Crowdfunding platforms are booming, offering a stage for everyone. Explore bootstrapping, pre-selling, or partnering with strategic investors. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about finding the right partners who believe in your vision and can add value beyond just dollars. Twitter takeover. Build your brand one tweet at a time. Listen up, fam. Twitter is your megaphone, your stage, your direct line to investors, customers, and the world. It's free, it's powerful, and it's in the palm of your hand. No more excuses for neglecting this game changer. First things first, optimize your profile, make it pop. High-quality headshot, compelling bio, and a pinned tweet that hooks them in. Content is king, baby. Share your journey, your wins, your struggles. Be authentic, be relatable, be human. Nobody wants to follow a robot. Engage, engage, engage. Respond to comments, participate in relevant conversations, use trending hashtags. Twitter is a two-way street, not a billboard. Build genuine relationships, provide value, and watch your tribe grow. Remember, building a strong online presence takes time and consistency. Show up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Trust the process, and the results will follow. Crowdfunding champions unleash the power of the people. Crowdfunding isn't just about raising money, it's about building a movement. It's about turning your early adopters into passionate evangelists who believe in your product and your story. Choose the right platform. Kickstarter for creative projects, Indiegogo for tech gadgets, GoFundMe for social causes. Research their fees, their audience, their success stories. Your crowdfunding campaign is your movie premiere. Create a killer video that tells your story, showcases your product, and tugs at the heartstrings. Offer irresistible rewards, early bird discounts, exclusive merchandise, personalized experiences. Make your backers feel like VIPs. Keep the momentum going. Regular updates, behind-the-scenes content, shout-outs to your supporters. Show them their contribution matters. Remember, crowdfunding is a marathon, not a sprint. Be prepared to hustle, engage with your backers, and over-deliver on your promises. Real wins, real inspiration. They did it, and so can you. Remember Oculus Rift? They started with a Kickstarter campaign, raised $2.5 million from passionate gamers, and ended up acquired by Facebook for a cool $2 billion. Or how about Tom's shoes? Their one-for-one model resonated with millions, turning a simple idea into a global movement. These stories are not exceptions. They're proof that with passion, hustle, and a killer pitch, anything is possible. Don't let the naysayers and the doubters dim your light. Surround yourself with positive energy. Learn from the best and never ever give up on your dreams. The world is waiting for your innovation, your creativity, your unique voice. So get out there, hustle hard, build your online presence and make it happen. I'm rooting for you. Now go make some noise.